as we sometimes use a photo to remind ourselves of someone we love, or something we want. The same methods we can use in a reversed manner. Using items to overrule an emotional attachment is not something new. Humans were taking advantage of such methods from ancient times, and they knew that some objects like crystals, or other similar elements, not only that could be arranged for specific tasks, but many times our brain can be programmed to have a particular reaction to whatever object or item we want to use. The key in such a process is to believe in what you are programming, or what someone programmed for you. For example, this bracelet was created to work only when one is wearing it, and only when it is closed. It will help one surpass intensive emotional attachments. Nevertheless, we must build and create in our imagination how we will feel when we have the bracelet on. So, meditation with such items is necessary. The bracelet is made out of leather, and in the middle, there is a malachite crystal. Malachite is a stone of balance, abundance, manifestation and intention.